Alright, cool. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to exclude unprofitable keywords from your campaigns. So we exclude both products at the product level, and then we also exclude keywords that have been searched by users. So all you want to do is you want to go into your campaign, and you want to click on keywords here, and then go search terms, and this should appear. If this doesn't appear, just refresh the page, and sometimes it gets a little bit buggy. But in here, what this is we can basically see all the search terms that someone has searched where our products have been displayed, right? So if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, basically shows us every single search term where someone has clicked our ads. So what we want to do is we want to sort by cost first. And here we can see the search terms that are costing us the most. We want to search by that. So before I talk about how to exclude some of these keywords, I've just got some rules here to show you. So lots of the time we'll find just irrelevant keywords, and we're going to exclude them by isolating them into single words. So I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And then we also want to exclude search terms that have spent the product's profit margin with no sale, right? So if we look back at our product exclusion rules, we can see we're excluding the products if the ad spend equals the product's selling point, right? But for excluding keywords, we want to exclude search terms that have spent the product's profit margin, right? So say if there's a product that sells for $19.99, that's the selling price. And the profit margin, right, is $10. Yeah, and say this is a whiteboard. And say the keyword that we're looking at is best small whiteboard. So if this search term spent more than the profit margin, we'd kill it, right? And that's because we want way more stricter exclusion rules at the keyword level, right? We don't want to be spending on keywords that are unprofitable. So let's go and have a look at our keywords, right? So we can see that like we've only been running this campaign for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So there really isn't enough data to make exclusions for lots of these products, because the profit margins for lots of these products will be like over sort of $8 here. So you can see this first search term here has spent $10.39. I know for this product that the profit margin is $9. So if we look here, the cost is $10.39. So this search term has spent more than the product profit margin, right? So what I want to do is I want to go to here, select it, and I want to go add as negative keyword. I'm going to add it to the campaign. And you can see here that when you go to add a negative keyword, it puts these brackets around it. Those brackets mean exact match. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And now you can see that this search term has been excluded, right? So if someone searches for belly band holster, our ads will no longer display, because ideally we should have had a sale by now if it spent the product profit margin on one search term. So the other search terms down here haven't really spent enough to start going ahead and excluding, because these spends are all very small. But what we can also do, and what I recommend that you do like every few days, is come here and try and find some like irrelevant keywords, right? Okay, so I found one. So this search term here, Xbox One arcade stick, I'm selling a USB arcade stick on my store that fits into a computer, and obviously if it's a USB arcade stick, it's not going to work with Xbox, right? It's not going to be compatible. So people looking for Xbox One arcade sticks are clicking on my ads. So we've spent $2 on that, sorry, $1.88 on that, and that's a waste of money because they won't convert because they're not looking for the right thing. So if we go Command F and type in Xbox, you can see that it's appearing in like eight spots, right? So we're wasting money on people looking for Xbox arcade sticks when that's not what I'm selling, right? So it's irrelevant. So what I'm going to do here, instead of going ahead and like ticking all these boxes, right? I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do instead is go to negative keywords here. I'm going to go plus and make sure the campaign is test bucket, and I'm going to enter Xbox in phrase match, right? So the reason I'm doing this is because this, right, will now exclude any search term with the word Xbox in it. So if someone searches best Xbox arcade stick, my ads won't show. If someone searches Xbox arcade stick, my ads won't show, right? It excludes any search term with the word Xbox in it. So I'm going to go save. So now you can see we've got two negative keywords. We've got one Xbox with phrase match. We've got one belly band holster with exact match, right? So if someone searches for belly band holster, like exactly, my ads won't show. But if someone searches for, say, smallest belly band holster, my ads will show, or best belly band holster, my ads will show. So that's the difference between phrase match and exact match. So with phrase match, it's good for like one word exclusions, whereas exact match is good for like multiple word exclusions. All right, cool. So I recommend to go ahead and do that like every few days.